Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu, then click on calendar and select the date, for example this one. Now click at the plus icon at the top right corner, and over here you can add a title, change color, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, click save, add location, people, take notes and many other things. When you're done, click save. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, hold it, select delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!